Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you want it? Okay, then listen up. Hi, I'm writing a novel in 30 days, and when I did my little prep video, a lot of y'all really liked the rice map. And so I thought I would do a little video going into a little bit more detail about how exactly I made my fantasy world map. Now, to do this, you are going to need a piece of paper. You are also going to need a small food item of your choice. This can be any number of things. You can use rice, you can use nuts, you can use coffee beans, you could use actual beans, you could even use pharmaceuticals if you really are in a pinch. What is important is that they are small. To start, you're gonna sprinkle your rice or whatever thing you're using onto your piece of paper. Try to get it into like some sort of organic shape. But frankly, when I did that, it kind of just ended up being in a blob. So I did take my finger and start to like kind of sketch around and figure out some ideas. Then you're gonna go in with your pen or pencil and you're going to outline all around it. With rice, there was a lot of nooks and crannies that were made that my pen simply could not get into. So I had to make a Sophie's choice and kill my darlings. Then you can get rid of your rice and now you have the outline of a map. And then it's time to start making some decisions. I looked at the map and thought, there could be a mountain range here, there could be a mountain range here. Because I used the negative space in the like inside of my continent to determine where lakes were, I basically just connected those with rivers, which also helped me figure out where exactly the mountains would be because water famously flows down. After that, I used the natural geography to help me determine countries. And then I looked and I tried to think about the geography and the countries and figure out where is going to be high traffic areas where a city would naturally form. I also knew in my head that I needed like XYZ things because I knew where people needed to go in the story. Once you have countries, major cities, important landmarks, and geography figured out, you're basically done and you can start figuring out the names of things. This is everyone's nightmare, and I agree. I get it. I used this website. There's a fantasy town generator there, which can come up with some cool names. I basically just like ran it a lot of times, wrote down a bunch of the names that I liked, and then added my own little spin on each of them. From there, what I did is trace the map out from my notebook onto a nice piece of printer paper, outline major borders in Sharpie, outline minor borders in pen, use some colored pencils to fill it in and give it some character, and then use some markers to really add the details. Oh God, they all fell. That left me with this, and I love her. With this lovely map, I'm ready to write my fantasy novel. If you want to get one of these, just follow the steps I just said. And why wouldn't you? I mean, like, look at it, look at it, look at it.